In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write checks using QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a check properly so your books stay accurate and up to date. Let's start right on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. To begin creating a check, go to the top of the page and click the plus sign labeled New. This is the main shortcut button you'll use for most transactions in QuickBooks, so it's helpful to get used to going there first. When the menu opens, look for the Vendors section. Under that heading, select Check. This tells QuickBooks that you're recording a payment made by check, and it will open the check window where you'll enter all the details. At the top of this window, you'll see the Payee drop-down. Click that and choose who you're paying. This can be a vendor, a contractor, or even a customer if needed. If the person or business isn't already in your list, select Add New and set them up on the spot. Taking a moment to set up payees correctly now will save you time later when you need to run reports or review payment history. Next, choose the bank account the money will come from. Use the bank account drop-down to select the checking account you're actually writing the check from. Getting this right is important because it affects your bank balances and your reconciliation later. Now enter the payment date. This should match the date on the physical check or the date you want QuickBooks to recognize the expense. Using the correct date keeps your financial reports accurate for the right period. In the middle of the form, you'll see areas for category details and item details. Use category details if you're recording a general expense, like utilities or office supplies. Use item details if you're paying for specific products or services that you track as items in QuickBooks. Here, you can also type a memo to remind yourself what this check was for, and attach any supporting documents like receipts or invoices. After that, enter the total check amount. Double-check that this number matches your physical check and that your category or item lines add up correctly. If you plan to print this check from QuickBooks later, make sure the Print Later box is checked. If you already wrote the check by hand, uncheck this box and type in the actual check number so your records match your checkbook. When everything looks good, choose either Save and Close to finish or Save and New if you want to enter another check right away. That's all there is to it.